listen to this from every teacher you have. Olivia, I'm trying again. Guess what? I am actually recording something. Can you believe it? Okay. There we go. Olivia, to catch you up, you're gonna have to pause on these. We added reconcile right there, so pause the video so you can look at that. And then on the back, we added what an outstanding check is. And then the homework is numbers 7 through 12, and we're going to try number 7 and maybe a different one as well. Okay, so you're saying in number 7 that your check register balance is this much, and the bank is saying that you have that much. And then it says that we have outstanding checks, which remember is checks that you wrote that haven't been cashed yet. So can somebody explain to me why it makes sense that the bank is saying that you have way more money than you actually do?
Well, I mean, and think about it like this. All right, so let's say I'm trying to think of a good example, but I can't. They haven't redeemed their prize yet, let's say that.
Okay,
So
it's kind of like
until they redeem it, it will look like you have more money when really they have it, but they just haven't taken it yet.
right. So this money is what you used to have, and then you wrote these checks, but technically they haven't taken this money out yet of your bank. And so you know you have this much to spend. So like right now, you couldn't go spend $500 on something because technically you won't have that money once those checks are cashed. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the bank's money, what they think you have, and we're going to subtract these outstanding checks because we know that those really should be taken out of our bank account. So grab a calculator. Do not try to do this by hand. Not worth the time. Ugh. Okay. 29.83. I got 476.20. Is that what you guys are at? No?
I had a service charge at the end.
Right. Okay. So we're at this. So this is now what we think we have. And then it says that we have a service charge. What is a service charge again? Is that
More money taken off.
Right. That's more money taken off. So this is money that the bank says, oh, P.S. we also took money out of your account. But who's telling you about this service charge? The bank is. And so what we're going to do for that is we're going to go for how much money we thought we had in our account and subtract that. So we thought we had this much money in our account, but actually we need to take out another $350, and that will make $376.20. So now we agree and the bank agrees. So that's called reconciling. It's where we compare these two numbers. Oops, I meant to say 4. We compare these two numbers and make sure that they're the same. We make sure that we agree with what the bank is saying. Now, you could always argue with the bank and say, I don't think you should have given me that service charge or whatever, but at least we understand where their numbers are coming from. Should we try another one? Anybody have an opinion about which one we do next?
Hey, hold up. So I think I did my math wrong. Hold on.
Can we do 9 after this?
Sure.
No, I just did something unnecessary. Okay.
Okay, so in number 9, you think that you have $159.35, but the bank says, nuh-uh, you have $223.29. Oh, hey, by the way, who was right between you and the bank? In number 7.
Weren't you both?
Yeah, you were both wrong because you didn't realize that there were $350 taken out of your account and the bank didn't realize you had written 2 checks. So you are both wrong, but now we've fixed it so that you're both right. Okay? And if we had given the bank more time and you more time, understanding that that was taken out of your account, it would have fixed itself, but just kind of helps you in the moment. All right, so number 9. Now we've got outstanding checks. Okay, so who doesn't know about the outstanding checks? You or the bank?
Bank.
The bank doesn't know. So I'm going to go to the bank stuff. The bank said we had 223.29, and I'm going to go ahead and say, nope, we're taking out check 5365, and we're also taking check 1479 out. I got 154.85. You guys agree?
Yes.
But then also there was a service charge. Who doesn't know about the service charge? The bank or you?
You.
You don't know about the service charge. So we're going to take your own amount that you thought you had and subtract another $4.50. And if you subtract that $4.50, you end up with $154.85. So now your idea, this is you, this is the bank. So we had to alter what you think, and we had to alter what the bank thinks. And we got to make sure that they agree, and they do. And that's called reconciling. So you've got to do the other 4 problems for tomorrow and make sure that you turn in the worksheet from today. I've already put in the Dropbox for the reconcile worksheet, so if you want to just put that in right away, you can.